excuse me? What are you wearing? Like, isn't it a bit too hot to be wearing that stuff outside? Like, seriously, like, don't you find it confronting? This is Australia. We don't have place for people like this. Don't you want to be part of Team Australia? Don't you think it's a bit hot to wear that? Hey guys, like, do you see this? You look like a terrorist wearing that. You know that, right? What's in the bag? Do you have like something, some explosive, some bomb in the bag? Is it a bomb? I don't trust you, God.
No, don't touch my bag.
Everywhere you guys go, you blow stuff up. Do you see this? Like, see what she's wearing.
What's wrong with it?
Like, how can she wear this outside? Like, don't you find this confronting?
It's fine, dude.
I can't believe this. Why can't they just be Australian?
Hey, leave her alone.
Can you see this?
Leave her alone.
Can you see what she's wearing? Like, why can't they just be Australian?
Leave her alone. It's part of her religion.
Yeah, but everywhere they go, they blow stuff up.
Walk on.
Hey, leave her alone. You can keep walking.
I can't believe these people.
Leave her alone and just walk on.
Whatever, man. Like, you're saying.
Sorry?
I don't.
Touch my bag.
I don't.
Really?
Do you trust these people?
It's not Australian.
Like look what she's exactly. Look what she's wearing.
You're not wearing Australian.
I'm Australian, bro. I was born here.
You're
Like,
acting like one.
I'm pretty sure everyone's feeling the same way right now with everything that's going on. Sorry, mate.
Move along.
Don't you find this?
Move along.
So you support this?
I'd like you to move along.
Are you a Muslim as well?
Did you hear what I said? Keep going.
With all the stuff going on.
You shouldn't be talking, you should just go. Because I will stand up.
Why do you stand up for these people?
Against people like you? Really?
Like, you know what's going on in the news and stuff.
It's got nothing to do with her. She's just minding her own business.
I find it kind of confronting for you to be wearing that. Like, look at this guy. You look like a terrorist, seriously. With everything going on, it's a bit insensitive for them to be wearing this kind of stuff outside. Why can't you just dress like normal Australians? Is there a bomb in here?
Just leave me alone.
Look at this guy, like... You look like a terrorist, seriously. Just, can you see this stuff?
Alone. He can wear what he wants.
Like, everywhere they go, they blow stuff up.
No, man. Let him wear what he wants.
Look at him, like, look how he's dressed.
That's all right.
Like,
Why is it any different to what you've got on? He's chosen his dress, you've chosen yours. I've chosen mine.
Whatever, these people...
Okay, it's Australia, you can wear whatever you want.
Exactly, this is Australia, man. What?
If he wants to wear that, let him wear that. It's fine, there's no problem with it.
Like, everywhere they go, they blow stuff up.
Are you kidding?
Like, look at them. Like, he looks like a terrorist. Seriously.
I'm a 10-year-old kid. Leave him alone.
Why do you care about these people so much, bro? Like,
What are you talking about?
like, look at them.
Can you leave him alone?
What's in the bag, mate? Do you have a bomb in there? Yeah, I don't trust you lot. What's in the bloody bag? Give it to me, man. Like, what is this? Bloody Muslims. Everywhere you go, you blow stuff up. Do you see these people? Like, look at how he's dressed.
Leave him alone. Everybody has a right to be here. Don't you dare speak to people like that. How dare you?
Do you support these people?
Yes. Why not? Free people. These people belong here too, as much as we do. Alright?
Seriously.
So, if you don't like it, go live somewhere else. But
Whatever.
these people belong here. He's a kid. How dare you? How dare you do that to him? Go on,
Whatever.
go live somewhere else if you can't accept